Perfect. 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 Perfect.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Now, where is my camera? Where's my camera? Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Bingo, bango. Bingo, bango. Uh-oh. I have something going on. There we go. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. My name is Joe. This is Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, boring pattern memorization. We make trading fun. We make trading easy. Do we lose? Yeah, sure do. Losing's part of the game. If there's no crying in trading, there's no crying in trading. What movie's that? What movie's that? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I want to welcome everybody that is here via. Oh, let me put on some background music. Today's a good day, man. It's raining outside. It's kind of ugly. Where's my music at? Let's see. Got that? Nope. How about this? Put this on. Okay. Yes. Definitely join the trading group. We have a free trading group and a paid trading group. Can you learn everything in the free? Yep, sure can. That's unlike any other trading group I have ever known, because if they give you something for free, it's to bamboozle you. They do bamboozlement. They trick you. They trick you into joining their free group, and then, oh, we can't give you that information. You have to pay for the membership or whatever. Or the, oh, I can't say that because that's in the $99 an hour. Man, get out of here. Get out of here. In my opinion, if you want to pay for the extra service, then you can, but you shouldn't need to pay for the extra service just so you can learn. I don't like that. Is this the music? I don't think that's the music. I don't know where the music's at. Music. That's that. What do I have it labeled as? No, this one right here. There's the music. All right, guys, time to jam out. Time to jam out. Should have this prepared, and so let's do this. Nope. Just there. Okay. Looks better. No better. All right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You got it. You got it. Here we go. League of their own. There's no crying in baseball. There's no crying in baseball. Let's see here. Broshi says, dang, got to step away, but gonna try to make it back. Yep. It's quite all right, my friend. Quite all right. You can always watch the replay. If you do watch the replay, I always like to see the hashtag replay in the comments. Of course, everything that you do, please interact with the stream, because I do love that. Of course, YouTube loves that. Any kind of post that I do, definitely interact. All right, guys. It's muggy outside, it's drizzling outside, but inside, man, we're making money. We're making money, guys. We're making money. Of course, we posted 3 charts today in the VIP, and they're doing well. They're doing well. Now, there was one where I posted, and it started turning. I said, nope, I don't like it. I think we lost like less than 1%. Less than 1%. I was like, nope, I don't like it. I don't like how it's looking. Let's cancel it. And so that's one thing with the VIP. I update you if it turns around and I doesn't feel right, just from what I can see and what have I experienced, I tell you, close it out. You know, could it have turned around and made money? Yep, sure could have. Right now, it's just going right on that resistance level and breaks above support, but it doesn't look strong. It doesn't look strong. It looked strong when I posted it, but then it changed. And I'm always watching these charts, guys. I am watching these charts almost 24/7. Embarrassing story. You ready? I need to do the camera where it's just me and my big old face. Embarrassing story. Of course, I work very hard for you guys. Free group or paid group, doesn't even matter. I work very hard, and I'm trying to make you the most amount of money in the quickest amount of time. So whenever I post, you don't have to wait 3 to 5 days or maybe a week for it to move. When I post them, there's a really high probability that they're going to move already, because I've already been watching these coins for 3 to 5 days. Set an alert goes off. Nope, not ready yet. Set another alert. It goes off again. Nope, not ready yet. Set another alert. Okay, now I'm going to be watching it, and I'll wait a few hours on it. Now, granted, I'm watching a bunch of charts, plus doing a bunch of other things. And then it's okay, now it's ready. Let's go. Let's make this money. And sure enough, you know, it usually does very well. Very, very happy with that. And once again, I don't post 10 to 20 charts like all these other. It gets me so frustrated, because when they post their gains, what are the odds of you getting in them? With me, I show you when to enter. Not only that, but if you're in the VIP, like I even show you more when to enter. And of course, moving up your stop loss. And you know, it's really easy to maintain trades when, let's just say for the week, we're in active trades of 5, maybe 7. And that's because the other 3 or 4, we're already in some nice gains. All we're doing now is just moving up our stop loss, you know, and we get into another active trade. And it's really easy to maintain 3 to 5 charts. It's perfect. I can update you and let you know, hey, this one's doing this. This one continues to look good. This one, it's not doing so hot. It may retrace to about here, but don't worry. Our level of stop loss is underneath it. So we should be good. And if we're stopped out, what are we? Like plus 22, plus 45, plus 87. So just kind of give you a heads up. I'm doing all the work for you guys. I'm doing all the work for you. And I'm loving these compliments, man. It really gets me going. Now, embarrassing story. We're going to get to Bitcoin in just a moment. If you have coins, this is me stalling, guys. This is me stalling. If you have coins that you want me to do, you want me to look at, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the chat. Because that way, I have nothing prepared. Every single day, I have nothing prepared. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship. If you want to check out a coin, you let me know. We look at it, and I give you my thought process on it. Usually the first coin that we do, I give a lot of thought process. Then after that, depending on how many we have, it's just rapid fire. Boom, 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 boom. So just give you a heads up, guys. But embarrassing story. I get very little sleep because my job is to make you money. And if you're in the free group, my job is still to make you a lot of money. I fell asleep. I fell asleep at my desk. I was doing work and everything, and I was getting tired. Of course, I'm always tired. Well, I'm not always tired, but I was doing work, and just all of a sudden, conked out. It was a good 30. Man, it was a power nap, 30-minute power nap. I woke up. I was like, I'm late. Mom, I don't want to go to school. Mom, it's like, whoa, where am I at? I was like, oh, I'm making money. Okay, cool. I said, matter of fact, let me make other people money. Let me update the group. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. Give you a heads up. All right. We got Crypto 420 in the house. Crypto 420. Appreciate you for being here, man. Appreciate you for being here. Let's see here. We got people watching on Twitter. The Twitter space is going good. Got Twitter people. Thank you guys for watching on Twitter. Appreciate you. Put a comment in the Twitter space. That way, of course, I can give you a shout out. I love giving people shout outs. Let's see here. And if you have a coin you want me to do, let me know. So we got people sharing on Twitter. We got people liking on Twitter. Appreciate you guys greatly. And same thing here for the YouTube. Definitely share it. Definitely smash the like. Of course, we love the engagement just because I give all this for free. Your payment literally is smashing the like. That's your payment and sharing it. Shoot, man, I wish I had somebody like me when I first started. Man, I paid 5 mentors, a lot of money, 5 mentors, and I learned what not to do. Yeah, I learned what not to do. But what I do is I show you my wins, my losses, all the times I got beaten up. I show you all that stuff. And there's a lot of stories that I have that are embarrassing stories as far as trading goes, but I let you know so that you know that, hey, you're not the only one. You know, just because you're feeling that way, guess what? I felt that way too, and a lot of other traders. They won't tell you that though, because they want to have this big, high and mighty, I know everything. Nah, man, get out of here. Nobody knows everything. Nobody. And plus, not only that, we're trading against people. All right, moving on. I really like that I don't record these just because there's nothing for me to edit. I really like that. And that saves me like 4 to 6 hours a day. I got great news, guys. I got some more help coming. For the group. I'm working nonstop to build this group to be the absolute biggest, well, not biggest, but best. I don't want to be the biggest. I want to be the best group out there. And I'm getting people to help me, with the projects that I have. And as a matter of fact, I just got off the phone or a telegram with another person who has helped me before, and they're gonna help out too. So it's gonna be great, guys. It's gonna be great. If you're not in the group, free group or paid group, it doesn't even matter. But if you're not in the group, I strongly recommend you get in there, because we are going to make you money. We're gonna make you money. It's ridiculous. And if you check on my Twitter, you'll see that there's comments on there where it's like, Joe, like the stuff that's in your free group, all the help and everything in the free group is more than what they were getting in a paid group. Yeah. Facts. All right, moving on. Let's see what we got here. The chat is going crazy, guys. Chat's going crazy. We got Coin Glass Trading Strategies. Man, love the name. Can't say that fast though. Can't say it fast. But we do welcome you here. And of course, if you do enjoy the content, strongly recommend smashing the like, doing the subscribe, doing the bell, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, blah, blah. Hey, but I tell you what though, once you have a YouTube channel, that you're going to be saying that all the time. You go, man, I used to hate when they used to tell me that. But now I see how important it is, because, YouTube sees that, and, oh man, we had, 5 likes and we have 5 new subscribers. Let's put this out in front of other people. For me, and I tell this all the time, I don't want to bamboozle anybody. I give stuff out for free. This is a free hour mentorship. I know I keep on talking. Joe, stop. Code word. So the code word, in case you don't know it, code word, if I talk too much, so I don't get my feelings hurt, Joe, you're talking too much. It's like, oh, okay. I'll get what you're saying. All right, good stuff. All right, let's see here. Coin Glass Trading Strategy says, check Bitcoin. Check it, man. Stop talking already. I'm holding Bitcoin as a long buy position. Kindly check. What's your point of view about Bitcoin? Awesome, man. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin, in my opinion, is starting to form. I don't trade patterns, but I see them, and I know other traders see them. So it's very important to understand how other people trade. I love all these floating hearts and floating party things. Man, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. So keep it up, guys. Keep it up. I greatly appreciate all the engagement. Now, in reference to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is possibly doing a inverse head and shoulders. And I pointed this out yesterday where, the price was coming down, come up, come down, came up here, started coming down. I said, oh, people are going to see that this is possible inverse head and shoulders. And I had this up here. I was thinking maybe we're going to do a higher low from considering this one. But it came all the way down here. I was like, okay, cool. Coming down here. But I drew this out. And sure enough, I mean, look at this. This is all support resistance trading. Support resistance trading. Now, could it dump? Possible. Nobody knows. What we do is we trade level by level. That's how we trade. Right now, we do have some buying pressure. We had buying pressure here, and it came up, and then it came down. Tried to fight again, and it couldn't do it. Come down. Bunch of people selling, people freaking out. And now we do have this 4-hour candle that it has some buying pressure, but it's still closed below the previous open, or before it closed underneath the open. That's the reason it's red. And then this one, the same thing, but we got some buying pressure. In my opinion, I think we're going to go up. Now, one thing though that I do recommend, if you have to ask, should I buy? And listen to this, guys. Listen to this. I'm looking out for your money. I treat your money as if it's my money. So listen to this. If you have to ask, should I buy or should I sell? You are not ready to trade. And it's okay. We've all been there. What I'm doing right now is I'm saving you money. Could you make money just getting lucky? It's like, oh, I'm just going to enter this trade. Oh, I'm doing great. I know what I'm doing. If you do that, you will lose, and you will lose big. Or you will not gain as much as you potentially could if you knew how to trade. Stick with this channel, join the free group. I will show you how to trade. I will show you how to make the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time, period. With that being said, do I think right now Bitcoin's okay? Yeah, Bitcoin's okay. Right now we have this support zone. If it breaks this support zone, we have this support zone it's too big though, in my opinion. But we do have another support zone. I would love, in my opinion, I think Bitcoin needs to go down, and I need to go down even further. I want this to calm down. That way the alts can calm down. Everybody has a cool off period for maybe a month. It's going to be really choppy. Maybe that's my goal. That's my dream. I want it to be choppy, just choppy, chop. During this chop, it's what I call accumulation. Just accumulate. Don't have a stop loss, just accumulate. Right now, and I'm trying to stress this to everybody. Right now, we're at the very beginning of this bull market. We're at the very beginning. I have an account I call it a no-lose account, a win-only account. And what I'm doing is I'm entering trades. Just entering them. Granted, when they're ready, because I don't want to be at a loss right away. So I'll enter these trades. Now, some of these trades, because of the low market cap, these low market cap coins that we're doing, they're going to give us 50, 80, and that's how we've been doing it. We've been getting 50, 80, 100 something percent. Do I brag about it? Do I boast about it so that I could trick you into joining my group? Nah, I'll let you see that for yourself. Again, join the free group. You're not going to be disappointed. Now, the free group, I did post the link in the chat. Plus, it's also in the description. Strongly recommend getting to the free group. Once again, the free group is worth more value than the paid group that you're probably in. Heads up. All right. So what was I saying? I was saying about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if it does, come down, cool off a little bit, we're going to get into some choppiness, and that's what we need so we can accumulate. Now, when my coins, because there are some because of the market cap, where they'll go down 20%, 25%. And normally I would have had a stop loss, so I would have lost 15% of my investment. However, I know where we're at in this market. And unlike last market, I didn't know anything. Now I have a whole different game plan. I've already experienced that. So now what I'm doing is that when it drops 20, 25%, I want that. You know why? Because now I can buy more and accumulate, add to my bag that I have already. And as it goes up, because it's going to go up, the only reason it would go down further and further and further, 85, 100, 99%, whatever, is if it rugs. These coins that I'm getting into, it's almost impossible for them to rug. Could they? Of course, anything can happen. But I'm letting you know, because I'm not selling and just waiting. See, but I'll give you another story too. And then, of course, it starts going up. And now I've added so much to my bag already because I added a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Now it's going up, and now I'm in gains 40%, 80%. Like like I will show you this technique, and I just told you how to do it. But not only that, but I also, like in the VIP portion, like I'll tell them, hey guys, this is what the trades that I'm in right now. I show you my account. Well, that account that I'm using. And I'll say, this is what it is. And right now I'm down 25%. Let's go in and add $50. I'm not talking like 20,000, nothing like that. What I'm doing is I'm showing what hopefully like the average person could be able to do. And I'm down 25%. Okay, let's add $50 to this account, or maybe even 100. If you have more, great. But what I do is I try to go to the average person. So I'll do $50 or $25, whatever it is. And so instead of being negative 25, now I'm negative 18. Cool. I can do that. Next paycheck, we'll look at it again. It's like, oh, this one's down 25%. This time I can put $100 in. Let me put $100 into this one that's negative 25. And now I'm adding to my bag, and now it's negative 12%. And then next week when I get paid, or next 2 weeks I get paid, I want to add more to that one, but man, that one's up 85%. Like, man, I wanted to get more of that one. But now, am I going to get it that it's already gone up? No. I'm going to get another one. I'm going to wait till the one that I have comes down, does a 30, 40% retrace, and then, perfect. Let me add to this, because this one I really want. So now I add to it, and now your percentage that you have, let's just say it's plus 60. Your percentage that you have, because you added to it, it works just the same as the negative. It reduces it. Instead of saying that you have plus 60 because you added to it, now it says you have plus 40. But you're not doing this to impress people. You're not doing this to try to sell a group. What you're doing it is so that you can increase your bag and increase your money. So instead of plus 60, now it says plus 40, but now you have more. And your money stays the same. But now it's just going to be going up. So that's the whole plan, guys. That's the whole plan. I really hope that you take this journey with me, because this is a no-lose journey. This is a win-only journey. And now you have a plan. Now you have a plan. You only lose when you sell. You only get profit when you sell. So right now, our goal is to not lose. And finally, when we're in profits, 60, 80%, now if you want, you can put a stop loss. And if you do get stopped out, you just got 40%. You had no losses. These 3, 6, 12 months, whatever it is, you had 0 losses. And now we had this big old crash, good, retrace. Everybody got wicked out. You end up selling yours because your stop loss hit. You're plus 40, plus 80, plus 200, plus 300. No lose trading. Win only trading. Now, can you do this at the end of the bull market? No way. You can only do this right now. Right now is the perfect chance to do this strategy. Once we're in the middle of the bull market, this strategy is no more. Towards the end, definitely. Now we're definitely having stop losses. And so if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Right now, take advantage of this, guys. Of course, if you get into risky coins, just know that the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So just kind of know that. All right, so I gave you my thought process on what I'm going to be doing and what I am doing. And so far, have I lost any? Nope, not since I started this. Could I have? Yeah, I could have lost, I don't know, 4 trades, 5 trades at least, 15%, 25%. But right now, this is the strategy we're using. Now, when I post it in the VIP, if y'all join the VIP, when I post in the VIP, I say, okay, here's the stop loss, because I cover everybody. I cover the day traders, I cover the swing traders, I cover the midterm traders, I cover the long-term traders. I cover everybody in my post. So in the post, I'll put, here are some targets. But for me personally, I'm not doing a stop loss. If you want to do a stop loss, it's right here at this level. If you get stopped out, a good place to re-enter is right here. And then, so if they get stopped out, they know where to re-enter. And then I'll just let them know too, hey, this trade got stopped out. I'm still in the trade. Matter of fact, I'm going to add to my position right now because it dropped 25%. I have a no lose account. All right, let's go on with the chat. Let's get on the chat. But in my opinion, Bitcoin right now is looking good. It's looking good. Yes, it is coming down, but we should get a bounce here. We had a nice area of support right in this area. I mean, it's not super strong, but it's a nice area of support. So if it does come down, just like how we did right here, when it came down, it found support right in our zone and bounced right back up. So if it does come down into this, I don't think it's going to come to the zone. I think it's going to bounce from here. But if it does come into the zone, we have a pretty good chance that we're going to get support. And if we do get support here, this support gets even stronger because it was support right here. It was support right here. It was support right here. And now if it comes down and gets support, now it's support right here. So every time it comes down and it can't break below it, it's building to the strength. It's like adding another foundation on top of all the other foundations that are there already. Now, can it break through? Definitely. It can break through in a heartbeat. But you have a higher percentage of likelihood that it's going to bounce because of all those stacks of layers of support. So to give you a heads up on that, right now I think it's doing good. I think it should go up. Everybody's going to be looking for this trend line because right now, and I've noticed it too, now more and more people are seeing this because now more of the pattern is printing out. I saw this pattern, like, not to say that, oh, I'm better than, no, but I saw this pattern and I saw, okay, more than likely this might happen. Sure enough. So it's coming down. I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to, hopefully it might get rejection or resistance right in this level. And that's why this curve is here. Might get rejection and then find support right on this level and then come up. The 65.5. So more than likely it'll break through that, find support on the 65.5 and then go up. And then our next level that we'll need to worry about, because I think it'll break out of this zone, maybe 2 or 3 tries. And it may go up, come back down, then finally break up. And when it does, then we get support, resistance. Oh yeah, I forgot. I know everybody else looks at this stuff. So the only reason I have it here is because other people look at it and they say, oh, Joe, you're smart because you have indicators. Okay. If I want to look like a genius, I'll have all these indicators, the VRVP and all these crazy indicators here, and I'll dress up super nice and have this really good, articulate very well. And man, get out of here. I'm here to make money. I'm here to make money, and I'm showing you how to make money. So give you a heads up. I don't use fancy terms. And if I do use a term that you're not familiar with, let me know. But anytime I do, like, say PA or, whatever, I always say, PA or price action. I always say what it is. That way you don't have to go Googling it, because that's what I had to do when I first started. Like, I didn't know what the heck they were talking about. What's PA? What's TP? What's SL? Like, I don't know what you're talking about, man. Like, talking English. Yeah, I spent a lot of time researching, guys. A lot of time. All right. Let's see here. How are the likes doing? Do we have likes? Okay, let's get the likes up, guys. Let's get the likes up. I love having the likes 100%. I really do. So if you're finding value in this, smash the like. If you have hair, smash a like. If you have eyeballs, smash a like. If you have a tongue, smash a like. But only do it for one of those. Don't go like, because then it might take it away. But if you're breathing right now, and watching this and hearing this, or just breathing, if you're breathing, I want to see that like, because I'm here to make you money, guys. Not here to bamboozle you, not here to trick you, not here to do all these flashy things that we do. No, I want to make you money, plain and simple. If you're good with that, smash a like, follow, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. We got some chat in here. Let's see here. Road Dogs in the house. Wow, stayed up way too late last night. What's up? Yeah, same here, brother. Same here. I stay up till, I mean, that's average for me, because I get a lot of people that I help overseas. So like in Australia, other side of the world, Australia and everywhere else. And usually they're active at, oh, what did I do? Did I do something? Oh, it's doing that. Normally they're active my time 10 p.m. to about 3 a.m. So I'm helping them out too. So if you're on the other side of the world, you're like, I don't know, because I don't know about joining the group. You can ask anybody in the free group and the paid group. Like they'll post something at 4 in the morning and I'm replying at 4:01. You know, so just kind of give you a heads up. I'm always in there. I'm always helping out people. I love all that stuff. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Coin Glass Trading Strategy says, I'm done to subscribe, channel, like, etc. Man, you know what happened, guys. You know what just happened. Coin Glass Trading Strategies, you, my friend, you just became my favorite. Yep. Now, everybody in here is going to get jealous. Don't get jealous, guys. Don't get jealous. But you just became my favorite. Appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you, man. You became my favorite. We have Danish. Danish says, a Bitcoin dump, retest, again, will fly. Will fly again, probably. Yeah. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait to see what's gonna happen. And this is not a dump. You know, 20, 30%, that's a dump. Let's see what this was. 4%, I don't even know. I haven't even checked it. Ooh, 8%. But that's not a dump. 20, 30%, that's a dump. It's funny too. Like people say, hey Joe, XRP or XLM or XPR, you know, whatever. They're like, Joe, it's pumping, really hard, Joe. And so I was like, oh crap, like let me check it. So I go and check it, 2%. I was like, not a pump. Let's see here. We got Road Dog saying, I'm blessed. Yeah, Road Dog's really good. Road Dog has a nightly show. It varies, you know, 9:30, 10, 11 p.m. He'll post it on his channel. But definitely go to my YouTube channel, and at the very bottom you'll see my favorites, and he's on there. He's got a really good TA. All right. Let's see here. Coin Glass Strategy says, have your LinkedIn account. I'm not sure if you're into somebody else or to me, but I don't have a LinkedIn account. I should get one though, but I don't have one. Let's see. Always learning in the house. Let's see here. Great statement about having to ask about trading or selling and not being ready. Yeah, and it's okay, guys. It's okay. Like we were all there. But if you have to ask, you're not ready. And matter of fact, I have a story. I have a lot of stories. I've been helping people for a long time. So somebody had asked me in group, you know, in DMs, they're like, hey Joe, you know, look at this chart. You know, does it look good? You know, I want to enter it. And of course, I'm always on the computer, and I says, dude, like, I'm not going to tell you if it looks good or not. I said, I need you to tell me if it looks good. I need you to show me your chart with your thought process, your entry, your exits. I need your plan on the chart, because I can tell you all day long, but what's going to happen if you're thinking about selling, or you're thinking about changing your strategy, or you're thinking about entering another coin, and I'm getting dinner, or I'm, you know, out and about, I'm doing errands, or whatever the case may be. And I come back and I see it 2 hours later. I was like, oh man, this is a great opportunity, but it already moved 40-50%. I don't want you being in that predicament. What my goal is to teach you, and that's why I do all this for free. I do all of this for free. I don't give you little bits and pieces and give you a setup and say, oh, if you want to learn to trade like me, you got to pay me $99 an hour. No, get out of here, man. Get out of here. I show you how to trade every single step from the beginning to the end for free. Could I charge 90? Man, I could charge $700 an hour. People would pay it because what I do, it works. And it's super simple. It is super simple. And I show all of this for free. Join my free group and see. And see here. Like, you can get it here too. But join the free group and I mean, you'll be amazed. You really will. And then if you want to get the gains faster and more and everything else, then of course you go to VIP. But I'm just telling you guys, like, I show you everything. Everything. Moving on. Let's see here. What else? Not ready and so honest and true to your word about making and saving us money. Yeah. Like, my goal is to save you money. Like, because think about it. Let's just say you had $1,000. You're brand new to crypto, or you've been here for a little bit, but you still haven't gotten the trading down. Let's say you have $1,000 and you get to trade and you win some, you lose some, you win some, you lose some, and you start losing, but you can't figure it out why you're losing because it was working. And then now you have $500 and you try it again. Now you have $200 and now you start winning, but your wins, it's much harder to make $100 with 200 versus making $100 with 1,000. It's really easy making $100 with $1,000. It really is. Now, do you want to spend all that money and then finally you get it? Now it snaps. Like, man, this is what I was doing wrong, and I have $200 left. Versus, I'm not going to trade. I'm going to watch TradeIntuition, get all his knowledge for free. It's all in all my videos. Get all his knowledge for free, and then apply that to my trades using very little money. Because right now your goal is to make money, but right now your goal is not to get rich. Your goal right now is to not lose your money. That's your goal. Preserve your capital so that when it does click, when it starts making sense, when you can see charts without even having to chart them, well, that's more advanced, but still, you get where I'm going. Now you start putting $50, $200, $500, $1,000, and all this stuff you start learning based off of the market cap, based off of the price action, based off of the strength of the move, based off of the moving averages, all this stuff. Like, it's showing you this is a good trade. I'm going to put $500 in and a lower bid, $500, and see where it goes, and then have more $500. So as it's going, I can be adding to my trade. That is my goal. My goal is to build warriors. I want to build warriors. And the only way I can do it is to give it out for free. That's the only way I can do it. I want to build warriors so that you can tell me, and I'm not pointing at you, pointing to the guy behind you. Plus, I'm not even pointing at you. I'm pointing this way. So it's like, what's wrong with your finger, man? Like, you never point at the camera. I think it's rude. So I just do like this. But my goal is to build you as a warrior. That's my goal. I want you to become a warrior, and you tell me, Joe, look at this setup, man. This setup is great. Like, we had this, this, and this, and it's doing this. I think you might want to post it. I'll go and look at it and say, oh crap, dude, this was not even on my radar. Man, we're gonna make money on this one because it's a great setup. And then not only that, but it helps everybody else because it's a great setup. So just kind of give you a heads up. That's where I'm at. All right. Let's see here. They will save so many from painful. Yeah, painful lessons, guys. I'm telling you right now, painful lessons. Of course, this is my link. It's a link tree, TradeIntuition. There you will find my Telegram, and that's where I'm at. I was doing Discord. It was just too hard for me. I'm an old dude. Hard to teach old dog new tricks, and I tried for a month, tried for a good solid month, couldn't do it, so we moved back to Telegram. So just to let you know, guys, we are on Telegram. I absolutely love it. I did actually a screen share last night in the VIP. I think it was like 2 in the morning to like 4. Just going over charts, seeing what I'm looking at, getting everything prepared for the next coming week, setting all my alerts and everything. And once again, what I do is I wait for the setups to come to me. I set alerts, they go off, they're not ready yet. I set alerts again, not ready yet. So finally, when I do set up a chart, it's ready. There is one chart that I do want to share with y'all. It's one of the VIP charts. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Always Learning says, you saw a potential pattern days ago. Yes. Yeah, I did. And again, I don't trade patterns, but I see them. Like this is what I see. Always Learning says, new name, fancy term, Joe. LOL. Yeah, I don't. No fancy term. No fancy term here. Dave P. All right, guys, good stuff. I believe everything is caught up, and let's see here. I don't see. Okay, good. We're all caught up on the chats. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with this. Let's go ahead and what's the chart? I already forgot what chart it was. Let's see, TradeIntuition. Let's go to this. Let's go to this. Oh, cream. Let me show you this. I'm just gonna show you the screenshot. Okay. So this is the screenshot. This is free, guys. This is free. So this is a benefit of watching the live streams. Occasionally I do this from time to time. I give you a free setup. Now, I don't know how it looks right now, so don't enter it now. We're just going to look at it, and then we'll do the chart. We'll look at it. So this is Cream Finance. I've been looking at this for a while, at least 2 weeks. It's been in accumulation for 6 months. This is money, guys. This is money. Accumulation for 6 months. I'm in the charts all day long. Join the group, and you'll see. You'll see. Now, of course, you know, we did have an alert go off here, and we did set our alert, but when the alert went off, I think this was like 3-4 days ago, the alert went off, and I said, nope. I said, hold on, guys, don't enter this. You know, even though I notified everybody to set an alert, don't enter it, because look, we had this fake out, we had this fake out, we had this fake out, we had this fake out. This might be a fake out. Don't enter it. We have to wait for the candle to close. What happens? It shoots up like 30%. And it's like, don't worry about it, guys. We're going to miss trades. It's okay. What we need to do is we need it to retrace. Because I would hate to enter a trade and right away I'm negative 12%, negative 22%. Like, you don't want to do that. What happened? Sure enough, it came down. It came down right to my support. And what I show you is I show you how to strategically place support, strategically place your resistance levels, strategically place your targets, strategically place your stop loss. I show you all this stuff, guys, for free. You don't have to join my group. You don't have to join nothing. I give this to you for free. If you want all the updates and additional thought process, I do a lot of videos with thought process on why I'm doing what I'm doing, because there are so many different variables, and that's what I do mainly in the VIP, and that's what you're basically paying for. But here, you know, the alert went off again, and this was earlier today. This was at 9:30. No, 9:30. Yeah, 9:30. I posted this again. As you know, okay, now it's time to enter. Let's see here. So let me show you this. Let me show you this. This is the comment, and I'm really good at comments, letting you know the thought process on this. So this was the comment I had put in this. It says, Cream 4-hour time frame, coin pump 10 million from when I was charting. So I was charting this, you know, back over here, and because it was already down. And then when I was like, okay, it's time for me to post it, it had jumped 10 million already. That's what I'm saying there. Plus it's in 6 months of accumulation. This is the market cap, because it was 40 and then it's now 50. It's DeFi. I let you know what it is, and I said right now, enter now. Now granted, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. These are notes that I give myself. Very important. None of the content I give is financial advice. I say to myself, enter now. Other entries are represented by white circles, and that's what these are. That's what that is. Stop loss is here. Targets are here. Boom. Clean, professional, and makes us money. So now let's look at it. My nose itches. Now let's look at it. So let's look at Cream. I'm not going to show you that chart, but because I already showed it to you. But we're going to come over here, and we're going to go to the YouTube and YouTube rapid fire. And we're going to do, what was it? C8? No, this is Cream. Cream, USDT, MEXC. Okay, so we have a nice clean chart. I'm going to show you how I do this. Okay, you ready? Don't have popcorn. Whenever you're watching this channel, do not have popcorn. Let me get to my page. Don't have popcorn. Have. I'll show you this. But real quick, so you might rewind this or whatever. Have your pad and pen handy. Now, in reference to a pen, oh, and I need to do this. Let me do this right here. In reference to a pen, I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. I watch YouTube videos and I take notes. And I want to be very, very prepared when it comes to any kind of important information that may be provided. So this is what I do. I do this all day long. I'm doing research all day long for the group. I'm doing the chart updates. I'm doing everything for the group so that when we do finally post a chart, we make money. Now, in reference to the free group, what I do is once it's ready to re-enter for the VIP, then I post it for the free group. So the free group still makes money. The VIP just makes more. So it's only fair too. Like I can't post the first chart in the free group because then it's like, hey Joe, that's like it's not fair. So just let you know when it's ready for us to re-enter, I post it to the free group, and then of course everybody makes money. So give you a heads up. So looking at this, let me see if there's any new chats. Chat. Okay, we're doing good, we got the thumbs up, we got the likes up. Good. All right, looking at this. Why did I look at this? One is DeFi. Two, let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, we can see that it is very, very bullish. It's just, you know, doing this number. This was its zone. This is accumulation zone. And then it broke out of this level. Look at the crosshairs. Broke out of this level. And then it just went to the moon. But, oh, let me do this. CREAM, USDT. Let's do Binance. So we have more. Oh, no, we don't have more. I was going to say, so we have more price action. But it's the same. All right. Let's see here. So it broke out of this level. So that was very good. That it's already breaking. So the way I see, this is how I see stuff. Under here, it's not very bullish. Once it breaks above this area that before it was resistance, now it becomes support. So now it's good. Now we go to a lower time frame, and now we can see we have this. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the candle body. So for everybody who's new here, what I like to do is I like to go at the candle body closes. Now, the lower the time frame you go, the wicks become candle bodies. It took me forever and a day to understand that. I was super embarrassed when it finally clicked. And it took me like 6 months of really solid, hard learning everything crypto and learning everything trading and learning all from all these websites and all these different mentors. Nobody could explain it clearly. Now, in the VIP, I keep on mentioning, I'm gonna stop talking about that. So there's videos. Okay, that's it. So here we go. Looking at this, let's do this. This is my zone that it needed to break. These levels won't change. These are on my daily time frame. These levels won't change. So what that's telling me is that if it breaks underneath it, well, then now it's resistance. If it breaks above it, now it's support. So if we were to get stopped out, no problem. We just re-enter once it breaks out of this level. So from here, let's go ahead and change this to green, because this now the price action's above it. It's green. This is our support zone. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Let's see here. Now we have this level right here. So this is our support level. So let's go over here. Let's do this. It's our support level. Now we go to a smaller time frame. Now let's go. Am I doing the same chart? Yeah, I sure am. Now we go to the same chart. It just, man, we're making money on this coin, guys. We're making money on this coin. Now, would I recommend you enter it? Sure, why not? But don't put 100% of your investment. And this is what I teach. What I would do if I was right now looking at this coin as bullish as it looks with the So what makes it bullish? Good question. One, the market cap. That makes it bullish. Two, the strength of the move, the momentum that it's showing. That makes it bullish. What momentum are you talking about? Oh, and one thing here, guys, what I do is I like answering the question why. You might not even ask the question why, but I always answer the question why. What I do is I have the beginner mindset. Why are you doing what you're doing? Why are you looking at that area? Like, can you explain it? Because there are so many smart people, man, they are brilliant, but they don't have the gift from getting it from here to here to here. Like, God didn't give me a lot here, but what he did give me here, I'm able to articulate, to tell you where, like, you are able to understand. Now, I've had multiple professions. Of course, I was in pest control. I loved it. I was helping people 14 years. And the last, I think 10 or 12 of those years, I was one of the lead techs, and I would do trainings. So I've had, man, 25 years of training. So I know how to train. Now, there are some trainers that have been around forever, but they don't know how to train. You know, they just read a book. No, like, you have to, like, understand where they're coming from. Like, what were your questions when you first started? Then, of course, you know, I'm a nurse. I'm currently still a nurse, registered nurse. And the instructors, when they would bring them to the place I was at, they loved me because I loved teaching. And I would show them how to do stuff. I would ask them first to see their understanding of the procedure. And then I would show them prior to the procedure. And then during the procedure, I would explain what I'm doing once again. So, like, I've had a lot of practice with mentorship. And that's what you're going to get in the free group and the group I'm not going to talk about anymore. That's what you're going to get in there. And that's what you're going to get here too in the live streams. So I just want to let you know that, guys. All right. Moving on. Joe, stop talking already, man. Give us a freaking chart. Calm down, guys. No fights here. We're all family, okay? You remember, you're my favorites. Come on. Good Lord. All right. Moving on. Joe. Oh, Joe, we have divergence. Joe. Red alert. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Joe, you don't see this? You have, now some people, they do, as I mentioned earlier, the wicks are candle bodies on a different time frame. And my first teaching, I guess, when I was being taught and mentored, they would use the candle bodies for the areas of to look at for divergence. Then about a year ago, the same people said, no, we changed our thought process. Now it's the wicks. For me personally, I still use the bodies. If the wicks are more valuable or whatever, then fine. But I just know that because my thought process, the wicks, it shows where it went to, but it came back down. I mean, you could use it. Sometimes I do. I rarely do. I just use the candle bodies. But anyway, we have a high, and then we have a potential lower high. Now, the reason it's potential is because this has not made a pivot. It needs to make a pivot. What's a pivot or a swing? It's when it changes direction. When the price action changes direction, now this becomes a pivot. Now we can use this pivot because it changed direction and this pivot and say, whoa, this is higher than this one and this is lower than this one. So right now it is not divergence, it's possible divergence, because if this comes down, now it becomes divergence. Give you a heads up. Just in case there's any clarification that needs to be done on that. When I do divergence, I make sure that y'all know that this is possible divergence, and for that reason. Versus just, because I don't think anybody's ever, I've never heard anybody say possible divergence. They just right away, oh, this is divergence right here. No, it's not. It hasn't made a pivot. This is a lagging indicator. This has to catch up to this. So as this goes up, this can continue going up. And think about it, guys. This goes up 20, 30%. This eventually goes up. And then eventually it outdoes this one. So now is it still divergence? No, sure isn't. Sure isn't. We have C-Tree in the house. What's up, C-Tree? What's up, buddy? All right, so looking at this, what I enter right now, sure, but what I would do is I'd have lower entries. So I would enter right now. My blues are the entries. Then I would enter down here as well. And then I would have one more right here. Because I have a pretty good chance or pretty good feeling based off of my knowledge that it's going to bounce in this zone. Pretty good chance. What? We got Army Piper in the house. What's up, Army? What's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man, for being here. So every morning, guys, every morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check out this dude. This guy, he has a panel. I've been on his panel once, but Army Piper, wink, wink. I've been on his panel once, but he's got an awesome crew. Awesome crew. Every day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This dude kills it. Do a TA, and especially the FA. I go there mainly for the FA. I love their TA, don't get me wrong. And like, they have amazing FA. I learned a lot on his Bitcoin analysis as far as the whole, you know, upcoming halving and where the price action is going to go. He killed it, man. Did he kill it? And my dream is no longer anymore. My dream is done. But I can still hope, but I know it's more of like a fantasy. So it progressed from a dream to a fantasy. And Piper knows what I'm talking about. But just to let you know, guys, every morning, there's times where I'm up all night. And you know this, guys, 4, 5, 6 in the morning. And I literally am dead tired, but I stay up until 9:30 so I can watch Piper. So I'll give you a heads up. That's how valuable that is to me. He gives fundamental analysis, which is FA. And I look forward to it every single day. So give you a heads up. And you're doing great, Piper. You're doing great. Doing great. Let's see here. C-Tree says, any update on Lambo guy? No update. But I know he's still running. He's still running. Like I said, I watched the show. Oh, I can't say the show's name because then you could kind of relate to them. But I'll just say, I wouldn't be surprised if I see him on the news. Wouldn't be surprised. Let's see here. Army Piper says, came to destroy the heart button. Dude, my man. Showing the love. I love it, man. We're getting you back once I'm back. Oh, man, that'd be great, dude. That'd be awesome, man. Appreciate that. But yeah, they're a great crew. They have a great crew. Okay, so here, would I enter? Yeah, sure. Now, why am I doing such low entries? Well, what I'm doing is, let's go to the price range tool. Let's go here. Oh, man. Can you stomach that? Can you stomach a 35% loss? Oof. That's rough. That's rough. If you do a stop loss, that is absolutely rough. Now, I'm going to throw some math at you. You ready? I'm going to throw... See, it's the name of the show. Yeah. Yeah, Army Piper is the name of the show. Just to let you know, 35% is huge. It's rough. But... like since we're doing multiple entries, we're not doing 100% right here. So let's just say simple math. If you did $100, if you did $100 right here, you would lose $35. That's a lot. That's too much. But our entries, since we have 3 entries, we're going to do, we could do a third on each one. You know what I'll do? I would do 25 right here. And the reason I'm doing 25, and again, one thing I love doing is I love telling you my thought process. Why am I doing what I'm doing? So this is our 25% entry. So just in case it takes off, at least we're in it. We wait for a retrace and then we enter more. Then here we would do 50% entry right here. And then we would do another 25% entry right here. Now, the reason for this is because, again, simple math. If we enter here and it comes down, well, we lose 35% of this entry. And then for the other entries, this one, if we get stopped out, we would lose 24% of this entry. And then we would lose 17% of this entry. So you're not losing all of 35%. And you're going to be losing more at this level because this is your higher amount. So if you wanted to, of course, you could have this down here. But I think what might happen is price may come down, break this level only because we see this. Always look to the left. Always look to the left. Just because I see this, we have a higher percentage that it may come down. Nobody knows what's going to happen. It might come down. And then here's our support. Throughout the entire chart, there's nothing but support resistance levels. Here's our support. We are just above our support. So whenever I do these lines, nothing that I do on the chart is by chance or I think I look good here. Everything I'm doing is very strategic. When it comes to my stop loss, when it comes to my targets, when it comes to my support resistance levels, when it comes to my trend lines, everything is extremely strategic. And I'm always looking to the left. So here, let's say it comes down. I'm pretty sure this one's going to hit. And then the last one might not hit. It might barely miss it. But in case we get a crazy wick, maybe even to this level, get a crazy wick, and then it comes up. Well, now we're in 100%. And now we just built a really nice position. Now, what happens on the other side? Let's say we enter the trade 25% and it goes. I was like, Joe, what are you doing, man? Like, that was a great setup and I'm only in at 25%. Dude, you just gained 45% of your 25%. That's good. Always look at the positive. Change the mindset. We have a mindset of greed. And that's in our brain and in our heart. So we have a mindset of greed. So be happy that you are in this trade. You made some money. The price is going to retrace. I guarantee that. It's going to retrace. When it does, then you can add to your entry. You can cancel one of these entries and have it here. And then same thing, what we always do, once it breaks this previous high, we add our third. And now you're in the trade. Or you can save this last third and wait for it to break this level. Throughout the entire chart, nothing but support, resistance, trend lines. C-Tree, what are you doing, my man? That address looks very familiar. I'm not sure what that is, but that address looks very, very familiar. So then that's how you do it. So just know you are going to make money. Just know you're going to make money. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Oh man, you guys are so funny. See, Dave P says, Army Piper. What's up? What's up, guys? We got let's see, C-Tree says, what's Army thing? Oh man, I don't have. Okay, so let's do this. Where is my websites? Let's go to this one. Let's do this. Let's go to this. Oh nope, wrong one. Let's go to this. And my favorites, there's certain things in here that I don't want you to see. All right, so if you go to my page, at the very, very bottom, these are my favorites. So of course we got my buddy, Tom Crown. Next up is Piper Academy. Next up is TradeFly, Alex OC, Road Dog, and then we got others. You can go see all, but let's click on this one and I will put the link in the chat. I do need to save it to my Stream Deck. Oh, there you go, guys. Oh yeah, great show. I mean, these dudes kill it. These dudes absolutely kill it. So let's get rid of that. All right, and look, it's coming down. Maybe, possible entry. Maybe, we'll see. Like, nobody knows what's gonna happen, but it feels really good when the stuff that you think is gonna happen happens. Do I think this is going to happen? I mean, it could just because of the market cap, and people might see this and say, oh man, you know, this one's DeFi, you know, this one's doing really well. Maybe my coin's not doing well. And then more and more and more people come in and then they start buying. So, I mean, this is a scenario, but my plan A is down. So always have a plan A, plan B. If you're enjoying this, guys, I want to see a 1 and then hit enter, and then a 1 and hit enter, and a 1 and hit enter. I want to see that. If this is BS, if this is, you know, blowing smoke up your butt, whatever you want to say, put a 2 and put a lot of them. 2 enter, 2 enter, 2 enter. I want to see if y'all are getting value from this. If you're getting value, do a 1. If you're getting you know, content that you're not getting anywhere else, I want to see another 1. If you're going to join the group, which is free, I want to see a 1. If you haven't joined the group, I want to see a 1 and hit enter. If you're already in the group, I would like to see a 1, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter. I want to see ones, guys. I want to see ones. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. Let's see here. We have Army Piper saying, what up, Dave P? Dave P is awesome. I love Dave P. Dave P is my favorite. Oh, and Army. Guess what, Army? Dude, you are my favorite, man. Wait till the end of the show. Wait till the end of the show. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Once we wrap everything up and then we're doing the end screen, man, I can't believe it. It's already time. Go to watch the end of the show. All right. Let's see here. See, Emma Prep says, bro, you are great. I'm probably talking to Dave P. See, Zulu in the house. Zulu says, hey, Zulu, what's up, buddy? Joe, think Ace on the KuCoin can flip bullish? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So let's do this. And normally what I would do is I'd say, like we have to go to the free group to do this, but we can just do a rapid fire for you real quick. In case you don't want to join the group, that's fine. Let's see here. But, I mean, it's free. KuCoin, Ace. Oh, I already did it. I was looking at this one. Do I think you can flip bullish? It's really hard to say. What I would recommend, before we had this level, but now it would have to be a break above this level. Where's my line? A break above this level. So I would set an alert right here at 0.011760. I would set an alert there. So this one, it's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot. Because what might happen is it might come up, get rejected, come back down, support, come up, get rejected, come back down, and then eventually come up. So instead of wasting all this time, you set your alert, you go do other stuff, you go into another trade, and then maybe when this gets ready in 3, 5, maybe 7 days, you get alerted, you enter the trade, you're making money right away. Instead of entering now hoping that this is a higher low, hoping, because this can go up and then come back down, and then now you just made a lower low. So just give you a heads up on that. I would wait, I would do that, and then your target, of course, would be more than likely right here, 33%, and then your stop loss would be right around 10%. So just give you a heads up. That's my thought process on that. Let's see here. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. All right. You guys are killing it with the ones. I love it. You guys are killing it with the ones. Looks like it looks bottomed and may reversal soon. I'd wait, man. I'd wait. I'd wait. Nick, what's up, Nick? So you make 3 trades and they average. Nick, find out, brother. Find out. I'm a beast, man. I'm a beast. Not to like pat myself on the back, but I'm a beast. You're like, oh man, you're a jerk. You're a jerk. We'll just say this. The trades that I post, do we lose? Yeah, we lose. Do we win? Better believe it. Find out. Come in the free group. Find out. I'm a beast, man. Like I don't mean to like brag or nothing, but I'm a beast. And Piper's a beast. Tradefly's a beast. OC's a beast. Like we're all beasts. Like we've done this. We've gone through the pitfalls. We've gone through. We're still here. Let's just put it that way. If you're a trader and you've gone through a cycle or two and you survived, you're a beast. Everybody you see is a beast. Now, in my particular case, I understand that my trades will lose. And I tell you, I understand my trades will win. And I tell you. Now, I think it's just so funny though when people, because okay, story time. I know we're already over. Story time. There was a time where I was training this guy, and I do mentorship in the whole nine. And he asked me, he's like, hey man, like this week or the last 10 trades, how many trades have you won? I was like, oh whoa. And this is like me training for like 2 hours already. 2 hours. This story is just for you, Nick. 2 hours. I said, man, how many trades have I won the last 10 trades? Man, probably like 3. What? Like, wait a minute, you're training me? and you only lost 3, you only won 3 out of 10? That's no, like you're missing the point. Like you're asking the wrong question. Think about this, Nick. You're asking the wrong question. I said I only won 3. I lost 7. They all got stopped out. There was, 3 of them ish, maybe 4, that I saw Bitcoin was doing its thing, and I moved up my stop loss. So instead of 15%, I moved it all the way to 3%, and I lost. Boom. Like I didn't want to suffer that. There were some that got stopped out at 15, 20%. I said, but the 3 that won, those got 30, 60, 100 and something %. I said, you're asking the wrong questions. But I understand that though, from somebody who's like new or newer. Even some people that are seasoned, they still ask that question. So my question to you, or rather my statement to you, is know what question or how to ask a particular question to get the information you want. Basically, you want to know the trades that you do, are they successful? Watch my channel and you'll see. My setups, they work. Do we get stopped out? Yeah. My levels stay the same. So we just wait. So just to let you know, but Nick, that's for you. I'm a beast, man. Piper's a beast. TradeFly's a beast. Like, we're all beasts, man. All of us. I'll give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. But yeah, man, join the group. Join the group. You're gonna be surprised. I give out more free information than what you will find in paid groups. Do I have a paid group? Sure do. Sure do. Do you need to join it? Nope. Unless you want the calls faster. Unless you want the calls sooner. Unless you want to make more money. But you don't need it though. Like, I show you everything in the free group. Everything. All right. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's see here. We got Batman So Official in here. We got Batman. Joe is the best. Sometimes. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Dude, you're too funny. House party. House e-party. Oh, it's got somebody's address. What was that? Zulu said stop limit or stop market with small caps. No, you never want to do market, especially with small caps. Never. Because you will get wrecked. You will get wrecked. So what you do is you have multiple exits. So you have multiple stop losses. You have multiple targets. The smaller the market cap, the more you got to do. Because you don't want to sell a huge amount, whether it's a target or a stop loss, because it might not get filled. So what you want to do is you want to spread them out. You want to spread them out. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Nick says, thanks, man. Thanks, man. Don't be a jerk to me. Hey, Nick, come down. No, man, you started, man. Why'd you do? Come down. We're all friends here. I'm messing with you, Nick. All right. Let's see. O's Learning says, C-Tree. This is a BYOB. Nice. All right, guys, we're gonna head on out. Let's jump to my buddy's channel. Where is it? This one. So we're gonna jump to my buddy's channel. We're gonna raid his channel. I don't know how to do raids, so we just all go over there. Say hi to him, of course, smash the like, all that fun stuff. But before we do so, let us go and let us do our outro. Ready? And wait, let's do this. And then, of course, hopefully Piper's still here. Piper, if you're still here, smash the 1. If you're not, I understand. But we're gonna go and raid my buddy's thing. But just to let you know, guys, I'm here for you. My goal is to make you money. That's my goal. I will show you how to trade. Everybody who's in here, smash just a 1 one time, just so I can know who's here. Just do a 1 one time. I want to know who's here. But my goal is to make you money. Plain and simple. I'm looking at you in your eyes right now. I want to make you money. I want to make this bull run the best bull run you've ever had. My goal is to get rich with you, not because of you. Plain and simple. That's why in my group, where I have a free and a paid, I don't like push the paid. I just want you in the free. I want you in the free because I want you to make money. I will show you everything. If you want to do the paid, great, go for it, whatever. But I want you to be in a group to where they truly care about you, and they're not trying to nickel and dime you. They're not trying to bamboozle you. They're not trying to, I can't give you all the information. You got to pay me $99 an hour. Get out of here. Man, get out of here. That gets me so mad. And these guys are millionaires, man. They're millionaires. And they're doing this to y'all. And I hate it. Am I a millionaire? Nope. Thousandaire? Not even close. Hundredaire? Maybe. Maybe. But, you know, I got $14 in the bank. I always say that. But what I'm telling you guys, though, my goal is to get rich with you, not because of you. I want everybody to be very successful. And you can do this in the free group. Join the free group today. With that being said, I just want to thank everybody for being here. I appreciate all the engagement, all the likes, all the comments, everything on all my platforms. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to build warriors. Are you ready to become a warrior? If you are, stick with this channel. Stick with me. I'm in it for you, and we're going to kill it. We're going to annihilate it. Man, I am so looking forward to this bull market. We're going to crush it, guys. Stick with me. I'm here for you. And that's all I got. So let's go to my buddy's channel. And of course, we're going to do our little outro in 3, 2, the awkwardness, the awkward looking down. 3, 2, 1. Love you guys. You guys are the best. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition. We will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do this every single day. I'm in it for you guys. Rain or shine. Let's make this money. Take care. Awesome, guys. Awesome. All right. So let's do what we do. Let's do what we do. All right. So let's see who is in here. Let's see who is in here. Of course, we got always learning. Always learning. You know, man, you are my favorite. You are my favorite. Lots of comments today, buddy. Awesome, brother. I love it. I love it. We got C-Tree in the house. C-Tree, man, you my favorite. You my favorite. Greg Seco, another clown scamming in our group. Is he in our group doing that? Let's see here. We have, let's see, Ian, my man. I did. Nice house. Better than mine. Yeah, it's nice in there, brother. It's nice. Nice and clean, too. Let's see. Ian, you my favorite, dude. You my favorite. Let's see here. Always learning. My favorite. You know that. We got Broke Oshi. Broke Oshi. You are my favorite, brother. Man, don't get jealous, anybody. Don't get jealous. You are my favorite. Let's see here. Zulu. You already know what I'm going to say. You already know it. Zulu, you are my favorite. Dave P. Man, Dave P is the hardest working person here. This dude absolutely kills it every single day. Dave P, you are my favorite, man. And of course, the OG. I've already said you're my favorite too, but I just want to let you know the OG right here. Ian, excuse me, man. You my favorite. Let's see here. Who else we got? We got Nick. Nick, didn't mean to beat you up. And of course, we're all friends here, brother. We're all friends. But yeah, man, we make money, dude. We make money. And I don't charge anything for this content. It's all free. Stick with me, man. I'll make you money. I guarantee that. I will make you money. Give you a heads up. But Nick, just to let you know, you're my favorite. You are my favorite. You know what? Stream Elements. Stream Elements is my favorite. Man, working in the background. Stream Elements. About time you got to work. Let's see here. We got Constantine. Constantine, I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, man. You are my favorite. You already know that, though. You already know that. Let's see. Batman, so official. Man, you my favorite. Dude, killing it. You're my favorite. All right, who else is here? Who else is here? If you are here and I did not give you a shout out, make sure to smash the 1. Make sure to smash the 1. We got lots of 1s I'm going through. Very nice. Let's see here. We got Nick, and of course we had Army. I'm not sure if Army's still in here. He might have gone to my buddy's channel, and of course that's where we're going next. But Army, just to let you know, man, you're my favorite. You, my favorite. So just to let you know, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's go raid my buddy's channel, and we will take it from there. All right, that's it for me. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition, and as always, let's make this money. Oh yeah.